If you're doing this by yourself, there's only one way you can do it, other than a vacuum bleeder. But this is the completely free way of doing it if you have a water bottle and a tube. I'm going to press it a few times, and then I'll show you. And you can see it took some of the fluid from the top, and when we go around here, you can see all the crap at the bottom. And what I have here is this is a 10mm wrench connected before you put the tube on, and I have a water bottle with a hole drilled in the cap. Make sure you leave ventilation. You can drill a hole in it too for ventilation, and you fill it enough so that the hose inside touches the fluid. And I made mine a little short, so I had to fill it halfway, but that's fine. And all you literally have to do is press the pedal and watch for air bubbles in the line. And this one will be done, and I'm probably gonna do 2 more sets of pumps. All right, again, just showing you, this is how you have it set up. I would put the bottle above the actual bleeder valve so that the air can travel up and go into the bottle. And I have it all set up right now. There's no fluid in here. It's ready to start bleeding. Find your brake pedal and start pumping slowly. Now you can see it's filled with fluid, and it doesn't, there's a little bit of air bubbles at the top, you can see right there. Make sure you check your fluid periodically. If it goes down too low, you gotta redo the entire thing. So I think I found a leak in the back passenger. You can see it looks like a new line was put on here, but only problem is, take a look here. There looks like a piece of gum is on there, and I bet you underneath it's leaking, because you can see there's some fluid right there when I was pressing it.